Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make a double crochet stitch. To start, you have to have a foundation chain ready. Learn how to do it by watching other videos from our beginner series. To make a double crochet stitch, you need additional 3 chain stitches to start. If you have them ready, yarn over and insert your hook in the 4th chain stitch counting from the hook. Grab the yarn with the hook and pull it up. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn again and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you've got 2 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. This is your first double crochet stitch. Now yarn over again and insert the hook in the next stitch. Pull up a loop so that you have 3 on the hook. Now work them 2 by 2 until you are left with just 1 working loop. Make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch of the foundation chain, including the slip stitch. Now let's move to the next row. Again, we need 3 additional chain stitches to start with, because this is our turning chain. Now turn the work over. In double crochets and taller stitches, turning chains count as a stitch. It means that we have to start in the 2nd stitch to keep the right number of stitches in a row. When you find the right stitch, proceed just like before. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, then through another 2. Repeat until the end of the row. Remember that you have to work the last stitch into the turning chain. Look for the chain stitch right next to the regular stitch. Inserting a hook there might be a challenge, but it's necessary for the piece to be nice and even. And that's it. You now know how to make a double crochet stitch. You can find written instructions and a photo tutorial on Your Crochet website. The link is in the description box. If you liked learning with us, leave a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to this channel. For more inspiration, go to the catalog of thousands of free crochet patterns on yourcrochet.com. Bye!